Please
Okay,
guys
I made
subscribe
this
to our
write
YouTube
up
channel to watch the full
last three
video,
months ago,
and then ensure to
last
watch the
two
video
months.
to the end. I have a
So
gist
he
for you
came back
guys.
for a
I'll throw the gist at
modification.
the end of
So
the video.
he didn't really have anything in mind. I was one that suggested that we should do a cloud design around it to make it more visible. So this was me trying to sketch it out with a biro. Yes. So when I was done, I got my ink in the ink cup, got my tattoo pen with the cartridge. The first thing I did was lining. I used 3R. 3R and 1R I use for lining. So the 1R is for tiny lines. But the line I needed to do here was kind of bold. So I used 3R instead of 1R. So first thing I did was line so I can get a guide on how to shade or create the crowd around the write up. So I took my time. I don't allow my ink to dry on the skin while lining or while tattooing. I usually clean after a short time, in less than a minute, so that the essence of cleaning is for me to see what I'm doing. Because when you're drawing, the ink covers the skin, so you don't know whether the skin is actually responding to ink or the ink is actually depositing. So here I was done with the lining. So I have to change my pin because you can't use the same pin to shade and line. So I decided to use 5R for the shading. The shading method I used was uh, pendulum shading because I needed a dark shade before it will turn to a lighter one as it goes away from the line. So I use 5R, and the method I used to shade was, or the method I'm using to shade is pendulum method. This was how I shaded around the design. I took my time. I went around. I'll clean, shade clean, shade clean. This skin didn't stress me at all. The ink deposited very well. Okay, I can see like almost 95% effective because I didn't need to go twice on the skin while doing this tattoo. I just needed to go over it once and we are good and I'm good. This was me trying to go around it. So after achieving the dark shade
Note
round,
this video is on speed. Watching this, you know, tattooing is so easy, but it's not as easy as you think. It's actually brain work. It's something I've been doing for close to a year now. So it might look easy, but it's not easy the way you guys think, okay? So I was actually done with the dark shade. So I used the same pin, but different method of shading. Now here I was using whipping method, whipping, whipping method. I switched from pendulum to whipping because I needed to achieve a light shade as I go away from the design. Yes. If you like to watch content like this, please comment, watch, and I will do more content like this and post on my YouTube. So please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. When we post, you get notification. I'll be posting more of this content on our channel. Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. It will help the brand grow. It help your boy grow. This is the result. Very fine. Watch close.